What's up you guys, I'm back with another door panel removal video. Here we have a XC60. This is a 2019 model. I have a video for the older one. On this one you will have 3 screws, 2 Torx, one here, one under the switch, and another screw 6.5 millimeter on the bottom. You need to take this rubber cover out with a hook or with something. I find difficult to remove this. I will take the screws out. After you take out all the screws, you will have clips all over. I'm kidding, Volvo doesn't put clips on the door panel for this model. After you take the screws out, it came out like this. You will have a cable to disconnect. This one, you just need to push this tab and pull. To remove this cable, just pull. It have a plastic cover that it will come out like that. And now just slide this down. This is the door panel. You can see there are no clips. To remove the swipe, put a plastic removal tool inside, make like that, and pull upward in the same time. For the front door panel, it's exactly the same. You have this rubber here inside, take it out, one screw, one under the window switch module and another one on the bottom of the door panel, and you need to slide it upward in order to remove it. And that's all for today guys, thank you for watching, see you next time.